Hi kids! Today's book is about Peppa's Nature Trail. You must be wondering what's inside. Come on, let's watch. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asked Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic, as if I would. Ha 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 ha, laughed Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Footprints. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mummy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by little bird, says Mummy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into the tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? Asked Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa's binocular to help her see the birds. The binocular makes everything looks bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They are eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. Ugh. George, George finds some more footprints. They were very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch, munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mummy Pig, but Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Oh no! My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Ho 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 ho. Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everything footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Asked Mummy Pig. Ducks love picnic, says Peppa. Mistress Duck, can you help us to find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to the car. We are here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, laughed Daddy Pig. Hoo 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 hoo. The ducks loves picnic too. Quack quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch munch. Everybody loves picnic, cries Peppa. Peppa and her family are so busy following animal footprints that they manage to get lost. How will they find their way back to the car? I hope you find the answer. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.